a little bit of a sleeper at Unique, especially in classics, just in. Listen up on this one. 1969 Chevrolet C10, built 327 V8 underneath the hood. Has a Holley Sniper EFI system on it, comp cam and lifters. Edelbrock Performer RPM intake, ARP intake bolts, HEI ignition. Dynoed 330 horsepower, 350 pound-feet of torque. We're going to check out the engine bay, start it up, let you hear it run at the end of the video. But first, let's take a look at the chrome up front. Take a look at the bumper. Got the bright work with the grille and the headlight surrounds. I guess similar to a grabber blue color, if you will. Cool color on this era truck, the 1969. Blue bottom, white top. Kind of gives it that era look. Take your time looking through the still pictures on this one. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, bed of it, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Chrome wheels. Of course, the custom 10 insignia on the front fenders. Take a look down the passenger side of this truck. You can see those panels are nice and straight. Paint shows well. Nice one for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Wait till we fire this thing up and hear it run. Maybe an imperfection here or there, but I tell you what, they're few and far in between. This truck will definitely turn some heads with the way it looks and the way it sounds. Blue bench seat interior. This armrest and cup holder is removable if you wanted to ride 3 people up there anytime. You could do that. Otherwise, works great for an armrest and a center console. And then, of course, the cup holders. Aftermarket stereo system. I'll get into more, too, once we get around to the driver's side. Take a little closer look at this interior. Has had the fuel cellar tank removed from behind the cab or in the back of the cab and has been relocated in the back of the truck. There's the fill for it right there. You can see truck bed. Wood looks good. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Underneath the hood, nicely equipped power steering, power brake, vintage AC system. So also more modern equipment underneath the hood, as well as that built 327. Take a look at the chrome bumper in the rear. Looks like it is practically new or has been re-chromed recently. If you're into pickups, maybe 60s, 70s pickups, or you like the muscle car era, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you will see come through here at uniqueclassiccars.com. Videos are uploaded daily. These vehicles are available to purchase when the videos are uploaded from our website or our showroom floor if you can make it to see us in person. As we look down this driver's side again, you can see these panels nice and straight. No major nicks, dings, scratches. Just those couple little spots. A little corrosion, but pretty minimal. Little background in this truck. The body seals have all been replaced. I mentioned it does have the rear mounted tank. There's some miscellaneous receipts that'll go along with it, work that's been done, and then also an owner's manual that will go with this also, as well as that dyno sheet. Let's take a look at this interior. Again, blue vinyl, bench seat, blue carpeting, removable armrest, cup holder, center console. Overhead mounted speaker system, tilt column, the EFI sniper control mounted nicely to the dash right here, AC and heat controls. I'm going to go ahead and turn that key on. It's going to activate the fuel injection system. Easiest way to do it, I can show you this radio is also working here too. and that is playing through the speakers that you were able to see mounted above me. Of course, with that EFI system, that 327 comes right to life. Top of the dash looks good. I did not notice any rips, tears, holes, anything major in the seating surface. A little bit of wear in the piping right here, but again, pretty minimal. Now, door closes nice. Best part about this, listen to this thing. Like I said, good sounding truck. This one will turn some heads. The way it looks and the way it sounds. Let's slip up and check out this engine bay. Stick around to the very end of this video. We're going to take this truck for a drive, show you how it drives out, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. As I was getting ready to open this hood and show you the engine bay, I noticed something I hadn't noticed before. This does have a little bit of that protective coating on the front of this hood, which if you're familiar with these trucks at all, lots of times they start to get rock chips in front of that hood because it's more of a flat surface. And that's a nice touch. And it looks good on there. I didn't even notice it before. So I just wanted to point that out. Keep it from getting stone and rock chipped up. Here it is. So look at this Willwood brake setup. And again, power brakes, headers, AC, that Holley Sniper system, MSD, HI ignition. And this thing is set up nicely. Heater hoses, AC, everything intact. It's a nice, clean, tidy, good-looking engine bay too. Take your time looking through all the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Stick around just a little longer. We're going to drive this truck, take you for a ride. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1969 Chevrolet C10. Nice blue color with blue vinyl on the inside to match. This is an automatic on the column. We've got Sniper EFI with a screen mounted down low here, giving us the battery volts, the air to fuel ratio, among other stats. Our factory battery gauge is right in the middle. The temperature is about halfway up the gauge. Oil pressure looking good at between 1/2 and 3/4. Factory fuel gauge shows almost full. Speedometer working well. We have a retro sound style radio in the dash. Air conditioning by Classic Air. Now that blows cooler than outside temperature, but not exactly cold. Overhead we have what I would say is the good headliner, which has speakers built into it. You don't see a lot of those. This truck drives nicely down the road. Letting go of the wheel, it stays straight in the lane. Brakes are nice and firm. When you're standing behind this truck, it has quite a nice little exhaust note. I'm sure you just heard that in the video. This truck corners as it should. There you just heard the kick down working on that automatic transmission. Again, good throttle response and good acceleration. This is a fun truck to drive. Great visibility. You sit up nice and high in these trucks. Take a look at all the pictures, learn more about it at uniqueclassiccars.com.